In this video, you'll learn how to export a Mailchimp email as HTML. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully converted your email campaign into an HTML format that can be used elsewhere. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL to access the platform. If you are not already logged in, you may need to enter your credentials to gain access to your account. Once you are on the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the button labeled Create. This option is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on Create to proceed to the next step. After that, a new menu will appear presenting various options. You should select Replicate to make a copy of an existing email campaign. This allows you to edit the email without altering the original campaign. Next, you will be directed to the email design section here. Click on the button that says Edit Design. This will open the email editor where you can make changes to your replicated email. Once the email editor is open, highlight the section of the email that you want to export. This can be done by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text or image. After highlighting the content, look for the option labeled Save as a Template. Click this to save your highlighted email content as a reusable template. Now, you will be prompted to name your template. Type in a meaningful name that will help you identify this template later. Following that, click on the Save button to ensure your template is stored correctly in your Mailchimp account. Once your template has been saved, navigate back to the campaign by clicking on the Return to Campaign button. This action takes you back to the previous screen. Next, find and click on the Home option located on the left side of the screen. This will redirect you to the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account. After returning to the home page, look for the Campaigns option in the menu. Click on it to access your list of campaigns and templates. In the Campaigns section, select Email Templates. This will display all the templates you have created or saved in your Mailchimp account. Now, choose the specific email template you wish to export. Click on it to open its details and settings. Next, locate the drop-down menu associated with your selected template. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. From the drop-down options, select Export as Template. This action will prepare your email for export in HTML format. After selecting Export as Template, you will see another button labeled Export Templates. Click on this to finalize the export process. Finally, your email template will be exported as an HTML file. You may receive a confirmation message once the export is complete, indicating that your template is ready for use outside of Mailchimp.